Lovely people, welcome to Daily Updates channel. If you're a first time viewer to my channel, please subscribe the channel and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Okay, now let's get to the today's topic. Today in this video, I'm going to show you AWS, Azure, Cloud, DevOps, job openings for the fresher, or if you are fresher having 0 years of experience, or you are the person who is having at least 1 year of experience, 1.5, 2 years, 3 years, you can apply the experience until 5 years, guys. The jobs which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so now let's get to this today's topic. Here there is one company called Sensia. Okay, this company name is called as Sensia, and they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. As you can see, this is a fresher job opening. I'm telling you, this is completely fresher job opening. Okay, here they have mentioned the skills, everything. Let's read this. Okay, here the location is Pune. Many of my members were asking that, bro, show the job openings from the Maharashtra, Pune, Mumbai. So I have brought this job opening for you guys. I'm telling you, as you can see, this is a full-time job opportunity, and they posted this job 1 month ago. So please try to apply as early as possible, because this may close at any time. I don't give you the deadline, but it may be closed at any time. So here they have given about the everything, job position summary, everything. They have given roles and responsibility, what you are going to do: build and maintain development and deployment pipelines. You are going to build the CI/CD pipelines and you're going to maintain it. Okay, so be prepared for this. The responsibility section I will be not reading. I will be just reading about the skills or the requirement section. Okay, so please follow up that. Qualifications and education requirements: a minimum BS degree in computer science, computer engineering, or relevant experience. Okay, see here they have mentioned you should have at least a degree. Okay, BS degree in computer science, if you are having a degree in computer engineering, that is fine. Or if you have switched from previous, like you may be from Linux administration to DevOps, or you may be searching from like IT other domains to cloud, you can apply, not a problem. Okay, key competencies here they mentioned. Okay, let's read about the skills they have mentioned here. Preferred skills: familiarity with scripting languages. You should be having familiarity with the scripting languages. It may be the Python, or it may be the bash scripting, anything. Okay, it's your choice. You should be good at least one scripting language. Linux uses and configurations: you should know using the Linux is very important for the DevOps. So please be mastered at the Linux. It will be very helpful for you. Windows uses and configuration: you should be knowing how to use the Windows, and you should know how to configure the Windows also. Minimum baseline knowledge of security. Okay, and they have mentioned is tools like Jenkins, Azure DevOps, Jira, Git. You should know. The cloud they have mentioned is Azure DevOps. Remember this. It's not about the AWS. It's completely for the Azure. And they have mentioned Jenkins and Jira and Git. So advanced knowledge and best practices of Artifactories. You should be knowing the Artifactories also, and how to work on the Artifactory, everything. Capacity and willingness to learn new technologies on their own. You should be ready to learn the new technologies every day by your own self, they have mentioned. And Terraform and Ansible. You should be knowing the cloud infrastructure like Terraform and as well as Ansible. You may be knowing anyone, that is fine. Azure infrastructure expert. You should be very good at creating the infrastructure at Azure cloud. Okay. Lifecycle management of cloud solutions and advanced understanding of Kubernetes. Here they have mentioned Docker and Kubernetes are very mandatory for if you go to any job openings. It may be the AWS, cloud, DevOps, any positions. Sorry, go to any positions. Docker, Kubernetes are mandatory. Mention in your resume, and they have moreover they have told that you should be advanced knowledge having on the Kubernetes. Remember this point. Okay. Here they have mentioned about the physical requirements and everything. Read yourself. Okay, if you want to apply to this job opening, just click on the apply section. Okay, it's going to apply for you. As you can see, autofill resume, any by your choice you can apply. So this was the first job opening for you. Okay, now let's get to the second one. There is a one person called Muzahid Khan. Okay, he has posted this. Okay, he has posted this job opportunity. I'm telling you, he is not the hiring person. Okay, remember this point. Don't DM him. Okay, I'm telling you, the DM you just need to send a resume to this email ID. I'm telling you. Okay, so here he has mentioned that we are hiring a freshers for the graduate engineer trainee positions. Qualifications is must be trained freshers on a DevOps engineer. So if you are a freshers, you must be trained on the DevOps field. Okay, you must be trained on DevOps field. Next is, or you should have at least 1 year of experience on, it may be AWS or GCP. Okay, they haven't mentioned Azure. Remember this point. Okay, you must be, if you are having experience of 1 year of experience, you must be trained on the AWS as well as a or GCP cloud. DevOps engineer must know here. The DevOps engineer, you should be knowing the tools like Jenkins CI/CD pipelines, Ansible, Terraform, Git, Amazon Web, AWS. Okay, and or a Google GCP. It's your choice. You may be knowing either a AWS or a GCP, but you should be knowing compulsorily. You should be knowing Jenkins, CI/CD, Ansible, Terraform, Git, as well as any one cloud. Good to have knowledge on self-scripting and PowerShell. See, you should be having knowledge, or you should be very good familiarity with the shell scripting. It may be the shell or it may be PowerShell. Okay, BE, BTech, CSC, IT, ECE, Triple E, only passed out. Okay, you should be from any of this branch like 21, 22, 23 with 70% aggregate. Many members daily inquire me, bro, I'm having a career graph like 2000, I'm 20 passed out, 21 passed out. Can I apply to this job openings or not? I'm telling you, see, they have clearly mentioned if you are from 21, 22, 23, like past 3 years, if you have recently completed your degree in past 3 years, you can easily apply, guys. I'm telling you. Okay, face-to-face interviews are kept our office, Kondapura, Hyderabad locations. And moreover, many members from the Hyderabad Telugu guys were messaging me. I'm telling you guys, this is for you the golden opportunity. Just go and attend this is for fresher also. Remember this. This is for fresher, and if you're having experience also, please go and attend the interview. Okay, they are taking a face-to-face interview for you. So before going, I suggest you please share your resume and get the feedback. Okay, get the response from them. Here, how you need to share your resume is vsputtapaka@adequatecare.com. Okay, this is their email ID. So you need to send your resume to them. Okay, once after sending your resume, you just get a confirmation and go to the face-to-face interview. Okay, so this was the second job opportunity for you. Now let's get to the third one. Okay, and third one, there is one more person called Tushar Desai. Okay, he is also one of the recruiter, but he is not the person who is hiring for this position. Okay, remember this. He has just copy pasted this job opening. So I'm telling you, Umbrella Infocare is hiring BTech freshers in the cloud domain of AWS, DevOps, Python. Look at this. The company name is Umbrella Infocare. This company is mainly hiring for the position of cloud domains. It may be AWS DevOps or a Python. Okay, you should be knowing AWS DevOps as well as Python. Profile is AWS DevOps Python. And moreover, look at this. This is a fresher. This is mainly for the fresher, guys. I'm telling you. Location Noida, work from home office. Qualifications technical graduate, B BTech, MTech, BCA, BSc, B computer science or equivalent. They have clearly mentioned you may be from any technical backgrounds from BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA, BSc. Okay, you can apply. And how you need to apply for this job opening is share your CV at nehaji@umbrella.infocare.com. You need to send your resume to this email ID. Remember this. Okay, so please don't DM them. Okay, he is not the hiring person. You just need to send your resume to this email ID. The company name is Infocare, Umbrella Infocare. So this was the third job opening for you. Now let's get to the experienced person. Okay, I'm going to show you for the experienced candidate also. If you're having 1 year of experience also, you can apply to this job opening, which I'm going to show you now. This is the company name is Granas. Okay, they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. As you can see, the job locations is Bengaluru, and this comes mainly under the cloud platform engineering DevOps, and this is full-time job opportunity. Moreover, this is hybrid. Look at this. It's not complete work from office. It's a hybrid job opportunity. Okay. Here they have given about what you are going to do, roles and responsibility, everything. Please read yourself when you are free. Okay. Here I will be reading this. Okay. What are the skills they are expecting from you? Bachelor degree in computer science or relevant skills. You should be having a degree. You may be in the computer science. Okay. If you are having relevant experience, like you may be from network engineer, Linux administration, you can apply. Not a problem. 1+ years of software engineering or operation support. That's why I have told you, you should be having, if you are just having internship experience, 6 months or 10 months of internship experience, if you have completed 2 or 3 internship experience, not a problem. You can apply to this job opening. Okay. Effective communication skills for working across support and engineering department. You should be having very good communication skills. Okay. Not like me. Basic understanding of programming scripting languages. You should be having a basic understanding of, it may be anything, shell, PowerShell, or it may be anything. Okay. Basic understanding with cloud has hosting such as AWS and Microsoft Azure. So see here they mentioned the cloud is your choice. It may be the AWS or it may be the Azure. Basic understanding of virtualized environments. You should be having the knowledge of virtualized environment also. Basic knowledge of source code control management like GitHub, GitLab preferred. Remember this. You should be know about the source code control management. GitHub and GitLab is preferred. Passion for security and identifying the opportunity to improve the security and testing. Okay. So this was the fourth job opening. How we need to apply for this position is just look at this. Apply for this position. Click on this. Okay. This page is going to take you to the see here it's open now. So please apply your fill the details and send your resume to this HR. Okay. Now let's get to the one more important factor. Here, if you haven't subscribed to my channel still, please I'm requesting you. Please subscribe to my daily job updates channel. I will be daily uploading the videos related to the job openings for you. Okay. So please hit the subscribe button. Okay. And how we need to if you want all this job opening links means please mention me please send an invitation. Vishwa Karkale, this is my Instagram handle. Okay, just send me invitation and I will be accepting. And you can just message me like this, AWS and DevOps fresher. If you just mention me like this, as you can see, I have sent the links, right? I will be sending complete links. Okay, so you need to send a message. Sending message is very important. Yes, I'm telling you. Please send me a message like this. If you're a fresher, mention fresher. If you're experienced, mention. From past few days, many people have just sent the connections. Okay, just send me the request. I have accepted. Please message me so that I can send you back links. I'm telling you, please send me a message so that I can identify and send you the links back. Now let's get to the fifth job opening. Here the company name is Zepto. Okay, as you may know, this is one of the famous online delivery grocery shopping company. So they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. Okay, if you look at this, there are more job vacancies. Okay, but this company they don't hire directly because they are mainly from the online delivery. So they are hiring from the website called Hirist. Okay, Insta hire as you can see. Okay, DevOps engineer they are mentioned here everything. Let's read about the main job description and everything. Here they mentioned AWS, Ansible, CI/CD, Jenkins, Kubernetes, Terraform. These are the main skills which you should mention. You should be perfect at this, then only apply to this job opening. Otherwise, please don't apply. I'm telling you. Okay. Let's read about the requirement section. 2 to 4 years of experience with managing and automation of cloud platforms, AWS using Terraform, Ansible, etc. You should be having hands-on experience or a real-time project experience on the cloud platforms like AWS. That too, by you should be having a hands-on experience on Terraform as well as Ansible, etc. Strong infrastructure management experience on tools like AWS, Aurora, and MongoDB. Okay, you should be having a infrastructure experience also. That too, mainly in the databases like AWS, Aurora, and MongoDB, and Elasticsearch, PostgreSQL, Redis, Aerospike, Kafka, etc. So mention this also. If you are having, mention this. If you don't have the skills, please don't mention. Strong expertise and complete hands-on Kubernetes, AWS, EKS, Ingress services, Mesh, Helm, and Kong. You should be having very good, and you should have really worked on the Kubernetes services like Ingress, okay, a service mesh, and Helm and Congo. Experience in architecting, designing, executing strategies of infra development in AWS. You should be having experience on creating the infrastructure, executing the strategy, and deploying. Also, you should be having experience in infra provisioning automation using tools like Terraform. So you should be able to automate the infrastructure by using the Terraform tools. Experience in CI/CD tools like Jenkins. They have mentioned the Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. Okay, and source code is they have mentioned is Git or Bitbucket. Anything, it's your choice. Experience with orchestration tools for cloud automations like Ansible. You should be knowing the Ansible for the orchestration of tools. Good knowledge of any scripting languages like Python. If you know Python, that is fine. If you don't know Python, if you know Shell, that is very good. Able to easily write the bash scriptings. Workable knowledge of databases and SQLs. You should be having the knowledge of databases as well as an SQL. Must be having problem solving attitude, collaborative team spirit, and excellent troubleshooting. You should be having the positive attitude as well as you should have the excellent troubleshooting techniques. So please go to this apply as a okay. First you need to create your Instagram account, then you need to apply. Okay. So as I already created and applied to the job opening, So apply to this. Now let's get to this another one job opening here. Okay. As you can see, there is a company called Infil. The company name is Infil company. They are mainly hiring for the position of senior DevOps engineer, and this is a full-time job opportunity. Location is Bengaluru. They have mentioned the experience is 2 to 4 years of candidates. If you are having 2 years of experience, 1.5 years of experience is not a problem. You can apply. If you are having 1 year of experience and if you're having high skills and you are highly talented, I'm damn sure you can apply. They are going to hire you, because many times when the HR calls, this happened with me same. This happened with me many times. So I'm telling you on that basis. Okay. Now let's get into the requirement section. You should be well versed with automation tools such as Docker, Kubernetes, Puppet, Ansible, etc. Okay. Automation tools they are mentioned: Docker, Kubernetes, Puppet, or Ansible. Working knowledge of Python, SQL, databases of stack, and any full stack with the relevant tools. You should be having knowledge of Python, SQL databases also, and or it may be any stack, full stack. Okay. Understanding Azure development, CI/CD sprints, CI/CD sprints, code reviews, Git and GitHub, Bitbucket workflow. See here, you should be knowing about how to work on CI/CD pipelines and how to build the deploy, test everything about this CI/CD pipelines, as well as you should know about sprints and code reviewing is important. GitHub, everything is important if you are having experience. Next is well versed with ELK stack or any another logging, monitoring, and analysis tools. You should be having very good knowledge on ELK stacks, and you should be having knowledge of logging, monitoring tools. It may be Prometheus, Grafana, anything. Provision proven working experience of 2 years of as a DevOps and tech lead IT manager or a relevant position. See, you should have at least 2 years of experience, that too mainly for the DevOps engineer or any technical related positions. Excellent knowledge of technical management, information analysis, and of a computer hardware and a software. You should be having technical knowledge on computer hardware as well as a software. Hands-on experience with computer networks, networking administrations, and a network installation. You should be having knowledge on the. You should have really worked on the computer networking also. Okay, and network administration and network installation. Knowledge in ISO, SOC type of implementation with BA. Okay, BB BE, Tech, ME, Tech in computer science, IT, electronics in similar field. The degree you may be from BE, Tech, ME, Tech, or computer science, or IT, or computer science, anything, your choice. Okay. So just go to this apply section, click on this, and apply to this job opening also. Okay. So as you can see, this is still a open for the position. Now let's last one job opening. Okay, the company name is Finastra. This company is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer, and the location is they mentioned is Bhagamani Constellation Business Park. Okay, and the location comes Bangalore only. So here you would be working in Bangalore, India, reporting to the DevOps manager. Remember this. Okay. There is roles and responsibilities they have clearly mentioned. Let's directly read about the experience, what they're expecting. Working experience with CI/CD toolings. You should be good at it. Maybe the Jenkins, GitLab, anything your choice. Proficient in containerization tools such as Docker and Kubernetes. You should be good at having very high knowledge in Docker and Kubernetes. Competency of on technologies like Docker microservices, Helm chart, Azure Cloud, Kubernetes orchestration, Ansible playbooks, Terraform, and pipeline implementation. So we should be having very high-end knowledge on the Docker microservices, Helm chart, Azure Cloud, Kubernetes orchestration, Ansible playbooks, Terraform, etc. Hands-on experience in building, delivering, managing cloud pipelines using Azure DevOps. You should be having a hands-on experience on building the pipelines by using Azure. They have this company mainly hiring for the cloud of Azure. So AWS candidates, please don't apply. Okay. Hands-on experience in scripting and automation. You should be having a hands-on experience. You should know how to do the scripting and automation. Implementing CI/CD with end-to-end automation, including execution of test suites with quality gates and criteria. You should be ready to implement the CI/CD with the end-to-end automation. So how you can apply to this job opening is just click on this apply section and apply to this job opening also. So these were the job openings which I wanted to show you guys. Okay. So if you are looking for any other job opportunities in the upcoming days, please mention in the comment section. I will be happy to bring you. Okay. So one more important thing is, see, today in the afternoon I have uploaded one more important video. As you can see how I got a 3 interview calls in just 2 days. From past 2 days, I have got a many 2 interview calls. So I have made a video on this, and I have shown the how to prepare your resume also, how your resume should be like this. So please watch this video as it will be more useful for you guys. Okay. So have a good day. Bye.